What's going on, everybody? My name's Zach, Realtor with Real Estate One in Southgate. I can't wait to show you my new listing in Allen Park on one of the most famous streets in all of Allen Park. The address is 10021 Park Avenue. Let's go take a look. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? If you've been house hunting in Allen Park, come check it out this weekend. And if you're new to Allen Park, come check out the Cabrini Festival that's going on this weekend. And if you're not house hunting, but you watch the video anyways, thank you. I'll see you in the next one.